closet. And her mother saw a fluffy white cloud that can be fit inside of the closet. And her sister saw a fluffy white pillow that can be shared inside of the closet. And it looked like a shared too, like snow. And her brother saw a light, and the dog hung it, like looked like a street lamp. And Brie bought a lion poster because that is her favorite book in the story. And she put it in the wall of the closet. And when the night came, Brie asked her dad and said to her dad, "Dad, can you please read me a story inside of the closet?" Her dad said, "No, because only one person that can fit in your closet, Brie." And Brie said, "Okay, Dad." And Brie go to her mom and said to her mom, "Mom, can you please read me a story inside of the closet?" Her mom said, "No, it's too close for two persons. Only one person, only Brie." And her brother and sister agreed and said, "Brie, only one person that can fit their closet. It's too close for two persons. Only one person only." And Brie go to her closet alone and sit in her fluffy white pillow and put her favorite book and see all the pictures in the book. When Brie starting to reading, her dad knocked and said, "Brie, it's time for bed." And Brie thinking her mistake that before she do